Hello everyone, have a good day. Today we have 25 ways to make money online, offline, and at home. Make money with a side gig and learn how long it will take to see the extra income. How to make money online. Making money online is the sweet spot people look for in the gig economy. Whether you aspire to be a six-figure social media influencer or are just looking to supplement your regular income with some online side jobs, we have found some viable options. And all options are here. Number 1. Pick up freelance work. Pick up freelance work is a make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs such as writing jobs, programming jobs, designing jobs, marketing jobs, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Fluent is second language. Check sites such as Gengo or Blend Express or drum up business through a site of your own. No matter what freelancing you do, keep track of going rate for the kind of work you provide so you have know if you have charging too much or too little. Learn how to get started on Upwork. It's a separate video from us. You can see the other link in the video. Number 2 is the best way to make money online is the test website and apps. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your through on how well or not so well certain websites or apps worked. You will have to complete a short test to be accepted. Then you will pay it depending on the test type. Usertesting.com does not disclose an exact amount. Number 3, the way of earning is pick up tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies offer outsource those jobs via services like Amazon's Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the tasks you will assign can be tedious. Tagging images, transcribing videos, classifying receipts, and can take anywhere from a new minute to a new hours. Temporary employee or requesters set the price for each task and get to approve the finished product before paying you. Number 4, take survey for money. And what is the take survey for money? You can make money from home by taking online survey, but don't expect to the rolling in the dough. Survey site don't typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift card than cash. Some of the more popular survey sites including Swabx and Survey Junkies. Number 5 way to make money online is make money from your blog is an affiliate. If you are blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates, that's you, get paid when someone click through from the website to the partner site and the buys something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way. Read more about affiliate marketing and other way bloggers can make money. Number 6. Sell your wares on Etsy. Have a penchant for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery, and pottery. Sell your goods on Etsy, the go-to site for artisans selling home foods, arts, and knickknacks. Etsy boasted about 96 million active buyers and gross over $13.5 billion in merchandise sales in 2021. And number 7, the way of earning is get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat videos into cash videos. If your YouTube videos or blog posts draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. YouTube sets 1,000 subscribers as the benchmark creators must make before applying for YouTube Partners program. YouTube Partners then get access to Google AdSense, a service business pay through to advise around your content. The service is free, but there are requirements you must meet. Number 8. Become an Instagram influencer. And what is the Instagram influencer? Companies are using Instagram influencers, people with large dedicated following on the platform. The rep their product. You can get on the action by applying for opportunities via a marketing platform like Open Influencer and Aspire, or by contacting the brands you want to work with. Number 9. Monetize your Twitch channel. Gaming could be a way to make money from home if you have steady following on Twitch. To go site for gamers, broadcasters can receive donations from viewers and even get a share of subscription and revenue if they reach affiliate or partner status. Number 10. Sell your photography. If you are a photographer, then come to this number 10 point. And what is the number 10 point is turn your photographs into cash via sites like Fine Arts America, which lets you upload your images to sell as prints, t-shirts, phones, cases, and more. Other marketplace for photographer include SmugMug, 500 Pics, and Photo Shelter. Some sites require a subscription but may provide features ranging from cloud storage to password protected galleries and a customized websites. Number 11. Become a dog walker or a dog sitter. Love dogs make money by becoming a dog walker. Applications like Wag and Rover offer on-demand dog walking, so you can pick up walk when your schedule allows. If you have space and your landlord's permission, if you rent, you could offer overnight dog boarding. Read the fine print if you sign up for these services. Number 12. Sell unused gift cards. This is also a great platform for making the money online. Make extra money by selling unused or partially used gift cards on a site like Card Cash or a Gift Cash. These websites say they will pay you up to 92% of the card's value on Card Cash. Number 13. List your spare bedroom on Airbnb. Renting out your home Renting out your home or spare bedroom on vacation rental sites is another way to make extra money. Be prepared to spend some money to clean and keep up the property, replace home goods, and pay towards service fee. Number 14. Sell your gently used clothes. Selling clothes you no longer wear is a quick way to make some money. Start with local consignment shops to make money quickly, or use sites like ThreadUp and Poshmark to find buyers. If you go to the online route, be sure take clear, well-lit photo of your price and research similar item to set competitive price. Number 15. Trade the old phones and electronic for cash. Have an old phone, iPhone and gaming system lying around, sell it on the site like Swappa or Gazly. Check out Amazon's trade-in program, which pay participants in Amazon gift cards and eBay too. If you are in a rush, try an Ecotum kiosk which offer cash on the spot for your device. Number 16. Get a babysitting gig. Everyone from college student to recent retired can make money by watching other people's children. Word of mouth, referral from friends and family are still a great way to get started. But you can also create a profile for freedomcare.com or City to expand your reach. Note any specialized skill such as CPR certifications to make yourself more marketable. Number 17. Rent out your car. City dealers often don't use their cars for days or weeks at a time. That idle time can translate to extra money with service like Getter Around or Toro, which let you rent out your car by hour or day. You take home the majority of those earnings, while Get Around or Toro take out cut off protecting your car while it's being rented. Number 18. Sign up for TaskRabbit. If you have actually enjoyed putting together IKEA furnitures and standing in long lines, you may be cut out of your doing tasks for others. Websites like TaskRabbit can connect you with people who need help with a variety of things such as moving, cleaning, delivering, and handyman services. The site also offers several virtual and online tasks such as helping with the research project or data entry. Number 19. Become a provide tutor. Parlay your math, science, foreign language or test preparation expertise into lecturative side gig by becoming a private tutor. You can tutor people online or in person. What you charge can depend on your experience, expertise, and what's in demand to get started. Number 20. Try for Uber, Lyft. Join Uber or Lyft or both and make money by driving passengers around. Just don't forget to factor in gas and maintenance cost. You need a eligible car in good condition and must agree to background check and a review of your driving history. Number 21. Make deliveries for Amazon, Uber, and other sites. Take advantage of growing delivery trend and sign up for services like Instacart, Uber, Eats, Postmates, DoorDash, and Amazon Flex. You get paid per delivery in most cases and can even earn tips. A car is not always required. Postmates and in some cities, DoorDash let you use a bike or scooter to make delivers. Number 22. Find work as a house sitter. If you are willing to watch someone's home and maybe feed the pets, water and plants, and take out of garbage, become a house sitter. Tip your personal network for referral or try out housesitter.com, which connect home women's which house sitters. People often make $25 to $45 per day according to the company's website. Number 23. Sign up to be a mystery shopper. Business often want to know how they pollen from a customer's prescriptive. Sign up to be their eyes and ears. You can apply online via sites like IntelliShop, Bestmark, and Sinclair customers material. You just beware from scammers and do through research before signing on. Number 24. Find seasonal work. Need a gig for a few months? Try something seasonal like being a lifeguard, shoveling snow, or working at the retailer during the holidays. Employers typically staff up a month or two before their busy season. So plan ahead to get you can payroll, check storefront window and Craigslist and local classified for seasonal opportunities. Last and number 25. Put your drone to work. The market of drone is expanding. Companies hire out work like aerial inspection, photography, and land mapping. So if you have already a drone, why not make extra money with your aircraft? You first need to register it with the Federal Aviation Administration and obtain certification from the agency for commercial use. Then you can apply for gigs as a drone pilot. So that are the 25 points which we discussed today. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.